To connect SORA in make.com, you have to go and click on OpenAI ChatGPT module and here write video. Here you're gonna have a generate video module. And when you're gonna write here a prompt, click save and run, then you're gonna have an error because first you need to verify your organization or yourself. So to do that, go to OpenAI platform, log in. I have a specific video for it. And here in verifications, what you're gonna have is a button to click, which is gonna be verify organization. Click on it, and then you're gonna have through phone verify yourself, upload your ID, passport or something else. Then it's gonna verify, it's gonna take some time. It was written up to 15 minutes, but I just left it for one night and it was good to go. So now I can close this window and now I'm gonna set up this simple scenario. So first of all, obviously what you need is prompt. For example, something like this. Then here you can choose your module. For example, I'm gonna try this SORA 2 Pro. And here in advanced settings, you can choose your video size. How long is your video? Also, you can use image reference. For example, if you generated before an image in ChatGPT, then it's gonna use this image as reference and then click save. This video purpose is only to show how to connect it, so I'm just gonna keep it simple. Next module that you're gonna need is also OpenAI, and here what you need is get a video. Click on it. It is important so you can download this video and upload it, for example, to Google Drive or straight away to some social media. For that you're gonna need video ID. Here it is, you can click on it. It is gonna come from previous module. Click save, and the third module that I'm gonna add is Google Drive and upload a file. And here I'm going to choose this second option, which is get a video. If I click on map, then you can see it is using video name and video data. So if I click save, I also need folder obviously. So now I can save it and click run once. So now you can see here is an error because video was not yet ready. It is needing some time to generate a video. And to fix that, here in between, I'm just gonna add a sleep module and add a delay for video to be generated, just in case 2 minutes, which is 120 seconds. And I'm just gonna connect it over here. I don't wanna spend an unnecessary amount of credits. So what I'm gonna just do, I'm gonna click here. If I go to download output bundles, then here I can see this video ID. I can copy this one. And now what I can do instead is unlink this one, make it a first module. And here instead of video ID, I'm gonna put for now this ID, click save, click run once. And you can see video is now uploaded if I now go over here.
Heard the new batch of gladiators arrived from Gaul. Hi. They say one of them killed 3 men with it. Heard the new batch of gladiators.
And here is the video that SORA generated. It's actually not bad. Quality is not the best, but obviously you can change it here in generation settings. So I'm gonna put scenario back on, connect it, change video ID back to video ID. So now every time I run a newly scenario, it is gonna generate me a new video and put it here in Google Drive. If you are generating very high quality videos, then I recommend adding even more delay, for example 300 seconds, which is 5 minutes. So this is a simple way to connect a SORA to make.com, and in next upcoming videos I'm gonna show you how to use them in scenarios. But for now, have a great day.